Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome guys, welcome Facebook, welcome YouTube. In today's video guys, I'm just gonna talk about basically it's also a pregnancy video, but as the title suggests, I had to get a new car and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna tell you the reasons why I got a new car and how I'm feeling about getting a new car, and it's just wonderful. But it's been rough. Oh my god, my belly. It's been rough. This has been going on from I think November, early November. I was searching for a new car, thinking about getting a new car, in which I was not ready, like ready, but hey, with having another baby on the way and stuff like that, the space, we need a new vehicle. And I was thinking what type of vehicle to get. So I was there doing my research and stuff like that, and I wanted to get a car that is a normal size but have the space for everybody inside, and basically it's like a family vehicle. So I had to get something big so it can hold everybody, and also because my mom is gonna be here, she's gonna come up and help me. And then if we do have cushion when we're going out, so it would be cushion driving, my mom at the front, me and the baby around the back with somebody else. So it's basically a 7-seater. We were looking for a 7-seater also too. Not just that, but we have to get an extra vehicle, because the vehicle that I have, the SUV that I had, it was only for the 3 kids, and stuff like that. So I'm super excited with what I got, like really excited with what I got. And I feel proud also. And I was trying to get it in December as a Christmas gift, but it did not work out because of the type of vehicle with the 7-seater and stuff like that. It was just now was the perfect time in January. I was like, okay, I have no problem, I'll wait, because the baby's not here as yet. So I'm extremely happy and I feel good. But guys, I'm gonna say something. I did not have to do, like, when I said nothing, I went to the dealership. After there, I was like, what kind of vehicle am I gonna get? When I was looking at 7-seater, I have an Audi, so I look at the Audi 7-seater. I was like, the style not change or whatever. So I was looking at the Audi 7-seater. I was also looking at the Honda Pilot, that big, but me say, like, that is too big. There was a couple of vehicles that I was looking at. I was also looking at the Benz. Oh my god, that is ugly. The Benz 7-seater, it's too big. And then I was looking at the Beamer also, and then I was like, also big. I wanted something to stay. I don't know if it, because I was looking at all the smaller vehicle. I wanted an SUV, but I wanted it to look like a car. So I was there doing research and watching videos. I was like, what type of vehicle am I gonna get? And then we suggested, like, let's check on Range Rover. I was like, first of all, let's see. And then after doing my research, I realized that they do have 7-seaters in the Range Rovers, and it's the regular size. That's the Range Rover Sport, so it's basically a Range Rover Sport, the HSE, that I was looking at. And I realized that they do have 7-seaters in it, in which you can make it a 5-seater, or you can make it a 7-seater. You have the option to put the seats down. I was like, okay, this is the regular size, nothing changed. I went to the dealership back early November. We were late, and the first person I saw, I asked him to show me a vehicle. They were like, they only have one 7-seater can show. And I was like, you know what, I just come to see the inside to make sure that everything is it's what I wanted or whatever. It was already dark, so he showed me, and I was like, yeah, it can work, but I was not pleased with the customer service. And then we called and explained the other day. I was like, I came there and when I gave them the name, they were like, you were new. I was like, must be, because it's like, you know, you go to buy something and they're not happy to sell you something or whatever. But nevertheless, we spoke. So whatever. But I understand when people is new or whatever, because I was like, you know what? I don't even think that I'm gonna work with it or whatever. You know, when you got to buy something, it's like you want to feel the hype of people, be like, oh yes, it's a good car, you should get it. It's perfect, 7-seater with kids or whatever. He did not explain none of that. So the next day we were still there, like, we have to get something, we have to start plan this, you know, in getting something. And I spoke with another person who was at the company. You know, he said, you know what, I saw you guys last night and da 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 da. And I was like, yeah, we came in last night. So he was more experienced. He has been there over 17 years and he is a gem. Like, when I tell you that from that day, Michael, his name is Michael, from that day, Michael, he just I don't know how to explain it, but Michael make sure I didn't have to go in. I just went because they had to ship the car. The car was not at the dealership that I wanted, so they had to ship it. Michael make sure everything, he built the car, he sent everything through email. I didn't paperwork everything. I didn't have to go back in. Everything was approved over the phone. He took care of everything, you know, being pregnant and stuff. So he made sure that everything was good. So Michael is really a gem. He told us, you know, the do's and the don'ts and the better option and whatever. And the selection was, there's very rare 7-seaters with Range Rover. So when I do, you know, I was still like, should I get this? Still iffy. And he was like, take your time. He built 2, show it to me, because I was looking for like black rims and stuff. He built 2, show it to me, and he was saying that these 2 are in Miami. And I was like, I was debating in between which one to get. It was a white one with the black top and the black rims, all black grills, whatever. And I was like, should I get this one? I love this one. And then there was this all black. And also, and I'm not a fan of black cars. You guys know that. I am not a fan of black cars. So I was like, okay, let's work with, when I did, because I don't be like, oh yes, I'm gonna get that. I take 2 or 3 days. I go on the internet, Google all the white one look and everything, because he had to build it, send it to me. And I was like, all right, I go work with the white one. It was sold. So the only option was to get the black. And I was like, I'm not a black person. I don't like black vehicles and whatever. But I was like, when I was looking at it, I was like, but you know what? Actually, the Range Rovers, they look better in black. And then, you know, I had to go in, and because they had to, you know, bring it down from Miami. There was also another white one in Texas, but it was like $2,000 to bring it down. I was like, nope. We're not going to spend no extra money to do that. So I was like debating still. Also too, the black one, we had to put money down to hold the vehicle. When I went and looked at it, I fell in love. I fell in love. Like, it's just like a different type of black. And I tell you guys, black is not my color in vehicle. I like white. I just feel like white, you know. And when I see it, I was like, but because, and then also Kushin have a car and it's white. So I was like, why would we have 2 white vehicles? He already has his car, so let's get a different color. And when I saw the black, I fell in love. I had to get black interior because it's kids and we're dealing with kids and everything. So we're with a black vehicle right now. So it's black. I'm going to show it to you guys. Definitely show you a video. I just wanted to make this, get this out the way. So now we have the vehicle finally. I went and picked it up today. And I'm scared to drive it. It's so big. It's so high. I am scared to drive it. So every time I'm changing vehicle, I don't go by myself. And then because, you know, baby, them send me not to drive no more. Because it's almost time. So we finally get the vehicle out the way. I'm extremely happy. There's more space. I feel blessed that I'm able to, with everything. I just feel great. And I'm extremely blessed and thankful that you know. And then you guys know that it's been what, 3 years. I'm here only 3 years and think I'm doing good. I try my best. Like, guys, you guys know the hustle, the bustle, and I do try my best. So I mean, we are definitely going after stuff that we want, making it possible also for the kids, because you know, some things aren't planned, it just come happen and we have to make moves. I wasn't ready to change my car, to be honest, because we have stuff to work on in 2021. You know, we want to do better in 2021 than we did in 2020. So we have stuff, you know, working on. We have different stuff coming out. We have different stuff working on. You know, basically the whole Carter family, the WatchCrissyWork, the brand, you know, my husband with the music, the CMR and all of that. We wanted to work on different stuff for 2021, but then here comes 2021 and there's a new baby right in 2021. She's gonna be here very soon, so we have to all right, this is what we're gonna do, because we have to get a new vehicle. This is not like when we were back home, when, you know, Kyra could have sit down in a Janae's lap. We have to make sure when it's time for me to go in the hospital, I have to make sure I have the car seat, in which we have that. So we're gonna set that up in the car pretty soon, because we finally get the car. So we have enough space for the whole family. We can take trips and, you know, feel comfortable, not feeling stuck up. So I'm really, really excited. I'm also excited with the pick that I made. Yes, I am extremely excited, and I'm excited that I could get a vehicle like that also. So I feel extremely blessed and thankful. I mean, it's like, it's not a big deal, because a car is a car, right? As long as it's driving, but at least I can get something, you know, and it works well, because I wasn't expecting a regular size vehicle to be a 7-seater. So definitely we'll show you. Christian will do a tour. I don't understand nothing, and it's a 2021 vehicle, guys. I don't understand nothing about the car. I just let Michael show me the basic. He set up the basic, basically because I'm pregnant. What the car does is, when I'm going inside, it goes down, and then once I reach in the car, it rises by itself. You guys know all of them, something there with those type of vehicles. So he did set up the basic stuff for me already. Connect my phone, and there's a little freezer inside of it. I'm excited about that. So, you know, my water and my juice can get cold. There's a little fridge inside of it. But definitely a tour will be done. People were there driving it coming home. And could we move the mirror? If you look back away, I tell you, it was like, oh my God, you know what? Let's go home. Let's go home. Well, not Kushain, because his car is a new car also, so him kind of understand that. But me and Janice went and get the car, because, you know, I'm not supposed to be driving right now. And Kushain had to go pick up the kids from school and stuff like that. But I'm extremely blessed. I feel good. Thankful. Have to get a family vehicle. We finally get it. Can't wait to show it to you guys. Thank you guys. Also, you know, we did made a post on Instagram, so people kind of have an idea what was coming and stuff like that. But hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna show it to you. I don't think I have a recording, but we definitely will show it to you. So I'm just letting you guys know when I'm recording, the kids are out there. When baby gets here, boom, we're all set. We're gonna ensure that everything is put, you know, and you know, it's just wonderful. And it's also like the family thing about it, because Kushain car, guys, I cannot drive in it. I probably drove in his car like 5 times. When I got in him car, it's like, he have to come take me out. It's too low with the belly, and then that cannot hold 4 babies, you know. So, and then it can't hold an extra person. So if we do, either his mom or my mom or a family member or a friend come, who's gonna hold? So we definitely had to think a little bit bigger, not just because we have an extra baby, but at least for one more person to, you know, think about that. So I'm happy. And I feel cute also. What you guys think? I had to change up my look, because I think I was like, you know, getting tired of myself. So I had to change up my look, take the wigs off. You guys said, hey, Chrissy, I like you with your natural hair. So, you know, I had to change up my little looks and look, and I think I look pretty good. What you guys think? Comment down below and tell me how I look. But yeah guys, that is it. We are blessed, we're thankful, you know, big up on yourself. It's, you know what, a matter of fact, all our vehicle, you guys probably can't drive in it, but you guys, it's a family thing, you know, and we are one, the Carter family is one. So I'm excited. I'm scared to drive it, but I'm excited. I'll probably not drive until the baby gets here, you know, because it's so big. When I say it's so big, oh, and here she comes stiffing out. But I like to show it to you now. I'm in like a, what am I wearing? What you call them something here? What Christian say, onesie. So I'm basically wearing a all-in-one thingy. I don't think I have any picture in it. Guys, I don't feel like taking pictures, you know, in the pregnancy. So, but my face is looking nice. I did my makeup, my hair is in one, and I feel good. Thank you guys so much for watching. You'll definitely see the vehicle, and hey, it is what it is. So until next time, I love you guys. And listen, let me tell you something. If you're in the Orlando area thinking about buying a Range Rover, Michael, oh my God, Michael is a gem. When I tell you guys that I feel so special, I don't have to go in. All I went in to do and sign the papers today, because they need my signature. That's all. I just sent over everything through email. Everything was done. Basically, everything was there. He took care of everything, you know, and I do appreciate him. He take his time. He was like, if the black one don't suit you when you come and look at it, hey, don't worry, you probably have to wait a month or two, but I'll get the job done. He's a sweetheart, and we do appreciate him. He tell us the good stuff, what we needed, everything. So, and the car come with something, guys. Boom, I don't have to worry if we're on the road or anything, or leave out and the baby's coming. Press that button and they'll come, and ambulance will take care of it. That's so, you know, that's so like, I like that. So he took care of everything, and we appreciate him. So Michael, big up yourself. You might not understand that, but thank you so much. Until next time, guys, God is love. Bye.